Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I will showing you guys how to fix your Notion sign up failed or account creation stuck problem. Is your Notion sign up failing or stuck during account creation on iPhone? Here's the fix. First, check your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on or off. Notion needs stable connectivity to create an account. Then clear app cache or reinstall. Open settings, search for iPhone storage, scroll down, click Notion and click off store app. After this, we will try a different sign up method. If email fails, try signing in with Apple or Google for faster, secure account creation. Privacy tip: always sign up through the official Notion app or Notion.so. Avoid third-party links. Quick fix: use Safari private tab to sign up for the app if app keeps failing. Restart your iPhone and try again. Usually fixes stuck creation. Subscribe for more fast Notion solutions.